Another day, another English lesson. Plans, instructions, and permission with be plus to infinitive. The structure be plus to infinitive is used in English to express formal plans, official instructions or requirements, possibility or permission, and necessary conditions for achieving a goal. This is the form be, am, is, are, was, were, plus to infinitive. You'll often see this in news reports, public notices, formal writing, and official communication. Formal plans, instructions, or requirements. Use be plus to infinitive to talk about official arrangements or instructions that have already been decided, usually by someone in authority. This structure can communicate an official plan, similar to will or be going to, or an instruction or requirement, similar to must, when expressing obligation or rules. Examples. The president is to visit 3 countries next week. News report. The visit has already been arranged. All team members are to submit their reports by Friday. Workplace instruction. Submission of the reports is required. Visitors are not to touch the exhibits. Public notice. Touching the exhibits is prohibited. Notice how it sounds formal and authoritative, perfect for official contexts. Possibility or permission. Be plus to infinitive can also express what is possible, permitted, or expected in formal contexts. This usage is similar in meaning to can or may, but sounds more formal. Examples. Students are to complete the assignment before Monday. Completion is expected or permitted. Employees are to wear identification badges while on site. Wearing badges is required. All participants are to register at the front desk. Registration is required or expected. This is common in manuals, instructions, regulations, and announcements. Necessary conditions in if clauses. Use be plus to infinitive in if clauses to show that something must happen in order to achieve a goal. This structure emphasizes that the condition is necessary. Examples. Standard. If we want to catch the train, we need to leave now. Everyday structure. With be plus to infinitive. If we are to catch the train, we need to leave now. More formal. Emphasizes necessity. You must practice regularly if you are to improve your fluency. Regular practice is necessary to reach the goal. Summary. Use be plus to infinitive to 1. Express an official plan or arrangement, like will or be going to. 2. Give an instruction or requirement, like must. 3. Indicate what is possible or permitted, like can or may. 4. Show that something must happen to achieve a goal, especially in if clauses. Now complete the sentences with the correct form of be and the to infinitive of the verb in parentheses. One, I am to finish the report by next Friday. The department head set this deadline during our weekly meeting. 2. She is to meet the new client this afternoon. The company wants her to give a full project briefing. 3. The students are to submit their assignments online by tomorrow. The school is no longer accepting printed copies. Everyone is to remain seated until the announcement is over. The pilot has requested that no one stand up or move around. We are to leave the building through the north exit immediately. The south entrance is temporarily closed for maintenance. I was to call him yesterday afternoon, but I completely forgot. We had arranged the call during our last conversation. She was to present the findings at the meeting yesterday, but it was cancelled. Her slides and handouts had already been prepared. They were to join us for dinner last night, but their flight was delayed. We had already reserved a table for everyone. The students are to follow the instructions exactly as written during the experiment. Any changes could affect the accuracy of the experiment. He was to arrive by noon today, but the traffic made him late. The schedule required him to be on site before the equipment delivery. You are to keep the door locked at all times this week. This area contains confidential documents. I am to meet the professor in her office at 3 p.m. tomorrow. She scheduled the appointment to discuss my research proposal. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos soon.